Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic home decor is a style that combines the charm of old-fashioned vintage items with the natural, warm, and cozy feel of rustic design. It is all about creating a warm, lifted, nostalgic atmosphere, like stepping into a cozy old farmhouse or cottage that's full of history and character. Vintage rustic home decor is basically about telling a story through the things you put in your home. Every piece feels like it has a past. It is either authentically old or made to look old. Here is more about what defines it. Number 1. Materials. Use raw or reclaimed wood. Think barnum tables, open shelving, or ceiling beams. Use old iron or aged metal like iron gate frames or old doorknobs. Use natural fabrics like burlap, linen, prints and cloths, and threaded cotton. Stone and clay accessories like pottery, vases, and kitchenware. The feel is very organic. Nothing is super polished or shiny. Number 2. Furniture. Use old dresser, farmhouse tables, and vintage memories are common. Upholstery often looks faded with tufted cushions or sleep covers. It is not about matching everything. A mix of found items work better than a coordinated set. Number 3. Color palette. Mostly neutral and earthy. Use white, soft gray, muted greens, dusty blues, and rusty browns. Pops of color might come from old rugs, painted old doors, or displays with the sign. Number 4. Decor pages, antique finds like vintage suitcases, milk cans, rotary phones, or candlesticks. Handmade touches, dye wall art, printed throws, hand-painted sign. Floral or botanical prints in faded or muted color shapes. Use rustic lighting like lantern-style lamps, Edison bulbs, or old iron candlelights. Number 5. Mood or atmosphere. The goal is to create a space that feels warm, inviting, and a little nostalgic. It is made to be cozy and comfortable, not slick or modern. It is like blending the spirit of a cozy old farmhouse, a cottage in the countryside, and a vintage antique store. What makes vintage rustic different from just rustic or vintage? Rustic alone focuses more on natural, raw wood, stone, cabin-like simplicity. Vintage alone is about old, historical, or retro pieces, regardless of the material. Vintage rustic combines both. It is nature inspired and rooted in nostalgia. It is about old world charm, but grounded in natural, humble materials. Think an 18th farmhouse where everything aged naturally over time. Wood floors are sculpted, linens are faded from the sun. Dishes are mismatched but well loved. Common elements you will see in vintage rustic decor: distressed finishes, paint that is cracked, wood that's oiled, metals that are slightly rusty or patinated. Reclaimed or sulfacid materials: old bark, wood walls, sulfacid iron gates, reused bricks. Mix of antique and handmade, a combination of flower market finds, family heirlooms, and time crafts. Neon textures: use raw oak, nubby linen, oat leather, cozy old trucks, all there together. Functional beauty: everyday items like baskets, cloths, or old kitchen tools are used as decoration. Typical rooms styles in vintage rustic decor. First, living room. Use old leather sofas, linen slip covers, distressed old coffee tables, vintage trunks, soft neutral rugs. Kitchen. Open shelving with stoneware dishes, vodka block countertops, vintage farmhouse sinks, masonry lighting. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames, soft washed cotton bedding, handmade coils, antique dressers or chipped paint. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tubs, old-fashioned buckets, rustic old vanities, vintage mirrors. Modest creators. Vintage rustic spaces feel warm, lots of cozy textiles, earthy colors. Relaxed. Nothing looks too perfect or new. Inviting. You want to sit down with a cup of tea and stay a while. Authentic. It feels like a real place with history, not staged or fake. More people gave their vintage rustic beaches, flower market, antique stores, salvaged ears, estate sales, chipped stores, on-time projects. Stressing new furniture to look vintage. Philosophy behind vintage rustic decor. Vintage rustic is not just about old-looking stuff. It is about celebrating imperfection, history, and nature. Imperfection, scratches, dents, and faded colors are good. They show life and stories. History. Even item feels like it has a past. It is about connection to simpler times. Nature. Materials stay close in their natural form. Wood still looks like wood, not overly processed. It is solo living expressed in decoration, relaxed, meaningful, and unpretentious. Popular vintage rustic themes and substyles. You will often see people blend vintage rustic decor into specific looks. Some people once are farmhouse rustic. Use zip-lap walls, big firm tables, vintage sign like fresh egg type sign, messenger lights. Cottagecore rustic, very cozy, lots of flowers, vintage lace, old books, and hand-thrown pottery. Industrial rustic, exposed brick, turned rustic. Uses weathered leather, cowhide jugs, Native American patterns, lots of reclaimed barn oaks. Each one pulls the faintest rustic feeling in a slightly different emotional decoration. Farmhouse feels homey, industrial feels urban and raw. Cottagecore feels dreamy. Winter's rustic decor is different seasons. Fall used at florals, plain old throws, antique candle holders, lots of warm amber tones. Winter use vintage skirts, chunky knitted blankets, warm oud tones, pine greenery. Spring faded floral prints, old watering cans used as vases, light airy linens. Summer vintage picnic baskets, old fans, linen curtains flowing down breeze. Vintage rustic decor is very seasonal because it is so connected to natural rhythms. Signature furniture pieces if you want to build a vintage rustic room. Some classic furniture pieces include farmhouse dining table with a distressed oak top, sleep comfort armchairs in washed cotton or linen, antique sideboards or hutches. Use antique sideboards or hutches, iron or wood frame plates. Use old trunks or a steamer chest used as a coffee table. Vintage ladder repurposed as a blanket rack. Small decorative details. The magic of vintage rustic often comes from the little things. Weighted picture frames with black and white family photos. Handmade pottery mugs stuck on open shelves. Is a tipped element pictures holding fresh wildflowers. An old photo frame turned into a mirror. Use layered jugs like a two trunk under faded Persian style jug. These little moments add character and soul to a space. Vintage rustic makes you feel. Quaint and giant. A vintage rustic space feels nostalgic. Makes you remember a grandmother's house or a country vacation. Cozy. Lots of textures for magic soft setting. Grounded. Natural materials help you feel more connected to the earth. Creative. Mixing old pieces in new ways gives a lot of rooms for personal expression. It is an emotional style. It is about comfort, stories, and home. Origins and influence. Vintage rustic decor draws inspiration from early American farmhouses, European countryside cottages, especially England and France. Used old barns, mills, and rural homes that valued functionality and simplicity. Before mass production, people built furniture by hand using local wood and metals. Decor was not decided, it was collected over time. A chair from a grandparent, a handmade quilt from a neighbor, a table crafted by a local carpenter. The visual side of vintage rustic decor. When you walk into a vintage rustic home, you immediately notice mixed matched styles that somehow blend beautifully. Nothing looks too new or too perfect. Aged finishes like chalky paint, rusty metal, and sun-glazed earth. Handmade quality. You can see the wood grain, build up, not the lemon. Notice the old stacing. Simple, meaningful objects. Maybe an old oven basket and heirloom teacups, or a stack of yellowed books. There is a feeling that real people live there, not like a showroom or catalog photo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.